Go set up there. Come in there. Yeah. Timo. Set up. Set up there. Set up.
Even President Uhuru Kenyatta should also know that if you want to grow your agenda in this country, you need to grow the agenda from the ground. And the ground is counties. When people in counties are dissatisfied, those are the voters. They are dissatisfied. When people are hungry and they don't have money in their pocket, they can get confused by propaganda by other people. So when you limit money coming to counties, you're actually finishing yourself politically.
According to the law, they're supposed to prioritize disbursement to the counties. That should be the first charge, next to salaries. So I think the National Treasury, the minister needs to take this matter very seriously. And remember that when you deny counties or delay counties resources, it is actually the normal mwananchi you're punishing.